أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum, and this is Qari M Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Al-Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear viewers, my dear subscribers, teachers, students, today I am making a video for you, those who want to teach the Holy Quran all over the world, and especially for abroad students. My dear teachers, please watch this video completely. Inshallah, during this class, I will tell you few tricks, tips, techniques and the way of teaching. How you can teach a class for UK, Canada, America, Ireland, Finland, Holland, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, India, Pakistan. So this video very make helpful for you. Watch this video completely till to end. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. And recite 3 times ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी जुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सके. आमीन. You will say, your student, beta please say Ameen. He Musa alayhi salam said, my Lord, open up for me my chest and ease for me my task and untie the knot from my tongue that they may understand my speech. Again you will say Ameen. Surah Kausar 108, Surah Kausar, abundance, the link and summary of the surah. The central theme of this surah is Tawheed rather than abstinence, which was the core subject of the previous surahs. The surahs consoles Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Quran made easy complete, while also refuting shirk in beliefs and in action. Surah Kausar also sounds a warning to the mushrikeen. Surah Kausar discusses one of the 2 core themes initiated in Surah Al-Viz, Tawheed. It refutes shirk, which is the opposite of Tawheed. Suratul Kausari Makkiyatun wa hiya 3 ayat. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Inna a'tainakal Kauthar. Inna, this is Hamza Zair E. The Zair is pronounced by dropping the tone of the voice E, and you make a gunna on nun mushadda with zabar alif short mat. Inna, you make gunna here. And what is gunna? The gunna mean to take sound into your nose and pause for a moment, hold for a moment into your nose. It's called a nasalization, gunna. And after short mad, the letter Hamza appears in next word. This is the Hamza, throatal letters, and Ain is also throatal letters, and there were 6 throatal letters, and Hamza and Ain, okay, both are the throatal letters. A, Hamza Zabar A. The Zabar is pronounced by opening the mouth and raising the voice. Raising the voice. Raising the voice. A. 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 And this is mutaharrik letter. This is mutaharrik letter. And this mutaharrik letter, this Hamza Zabar A, will connect with the Ain Sukun letter, Ain Sakina letter. So because Ain has Jazm sign over there, and the Jazm sign mean connecting sign, a link sign, joining sign. Okay, so the mutaharrik letter Hamza Zabar A will connect with the Ain. R. R. And another after R. Ta is a Haruf Musta'aliya letters, bold letters, and they were 7, 5, 6 and 7. 7 bold letters. Khassa, Dagtin, Qiz. Haruf Musta'aliya letters. So the Ta is heavy letter, strong letter, hard letter, and poor letters. So this Ta, Zabar Ta, will connect with the Ya Sakina because Ya has Jazm sign over there. And we call it lean letters. My dear students and teachers, and I have told you so many times, okay, there were 2 lean letters, Waw Sakina and Ya Sakina. There are a Zabar before Ya Sakina and Waw Sakina. They become lean letters. So you will read very softly. Toi, Toi. And this is the Noon has standing Zabar. You will stretch a little bit. Na. This is the Kaf Zabar. Kaf will connect with the Lam Sakina. This is the Hamzatul Wasl here. Okay, this is the Hamzatul Wasl. And this Kaf will connect with the Lam. Kal. Kal. And another letter is after Kal, Kaf is appearing. Kaf Zabar Ka. Connect with the Waw. Cow. And Waw. Okay, this is lean letters. Okay. Ya lean and Waw lean letter. Cow. You will read very softly. This is the Tha. Tha Zabar Tha. Ra Zabar Ra. Tha Ra. This is the Waqf Tam here and the Waqf Mutlaq here. It's better to stop there. This is the Tani Ta. It's better to stop there. End of the letter Ra Zabar Ra would be changed into Ra Sakina. When you stop at the end, okay, Ra Zabar Ra would be changed into Ra Sakina. And how will you read? Listen, be carefully. Listen, be carefully. Inna a'tainakal Kauthar. Kauthar. This is the Tha. You will read very softly. 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 Soft. Soft. Softly. Is it clear? Okay, good. Please try to imitate me. Repeat after me. Inna a'tainakal Kauthar. Kauthar. Verily, we have granted to you, O Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, abundant good, Allah granted Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam prophethood, the honor of being the best of all the Anbiya alayhi as-salatu was-salam. The Quran, the largest ummah, a deen that has spread throughout the world, and the high mantle of Muqam Mahmud in the Akhirah. See verse 79 of Surah 17. The spiritual fountain of Kauser has been awarded to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of Qiyamah, is a part of this abundant good. Apart from these things, there are numerous other bounties that Allah gave exclusively to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please listen, be carefully. This is fa zabar fa. This is a heavy letter sad. Sad. Sad zabar sa will connect with the lam mushadda with zaid with the extra stress. This sad, this heavy letter will connect with the lam mushadda, okay, with the extra stress. Fa salli, fa salli, sa, sad zabar sa, salli, and again another letter is coming with the zayd, li. The both lam has the same sound, li and li, fa salli, li, and this is the heavy letter due to zabar. This ra become a ra, and then rabbi, kaf zabar ka, rabbika. Okay, this lam will read twice time, okay, yes, and this ba will read twice time because lam and ba both have tashdid sign, curve sign and w sign. We can say curve sign, w sign and tashdid sign, and we will read with the extra stress both of them. Fa salli li rabbi, rabbi, and this kaf zabar ka, fa salli li rabbika. One, this was zabar wa will connect with the noon, one, yes, one, and ha zabar ra har, one har, one har. This is a hamzatul wasl here, one har. You should apply the rule of izhar after noon sakina or tanween. If you found throat letters, you make izhar here, and a noon sound read or would be clear, one har, one har. Okay, when you read wow, while reading wow, okay, your lips should be rounded. The pesh is pronounced. The rounding of the lips, the rounding of the lips. Wo, wo, wa, 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 wa. Please look at my lips. Wa, wa. When you read wow, your lips should be rounded. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ, وَانْحَرْ. This is the waqf tam here and waqf mutlaq. So, as a token of gratitude, you should perform salah for your Rabb and sacrifice animals in his name. You make gunna here, okay, you make gunna here, inna, and this is sha, inna sha. This is alif madda, Alif madda. And I told you that there were three madda letters: alif madda, waw madda, and ya madda. So this is a alif madda here, because when there is a zabar before alif, then alif become madda letter, alif madda. You will stretch a little bit. Inna sha, inna sha ni, noon ze ni, hamza zabar a, ni a, kaf zabar ka, ni a ka, ni a ka. Inna shani aka hu, hu, ha pesh hu, wa zabar lam wal, hu wal. This is a lam has a jazm sign over there, and this is the waw mutaharrik letter, and this is the hamzatul wasl. This is alif, hamzatul wasl, and hu wal, and this is the hamza zabar a will connect with the ba, aba. This is the bouncing letters. They were 5 qalqala letters. Qutubu jaddin. So the ba is one of them. Aba, ta, ru, abataru. When you stop at the last letter, then ra pesh ru would be changed into ra sakina. Taru. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Sadaqallahu al-azim wa sadaqa rasuluhu an-nabiyyul kareem. Indeed, it is your enemy who shall be unknown. This verse refers to a particular enemy of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu Jahl, who used to tell people that they should not worry about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam sallam's influence, because without any male children, his lineage and religion will not continue after him. However, the name and a message of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is alive even today and always gaining more popularity, whereas the name of his enemies are disgraced. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Dinu Dunya and Akhirah. O Allah, forgive us all the sins and far away us from all the hurdles, and show us a right path, that path you like. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.